Conjugating the Arabic verb in the present tense is simple. Let's go over the subject pronouns that we know.
أنا، نحن، أنت، أنت، أنتم، هو، هي، هم.
Now, let's look at the verb
كتب،
to write and the pronouns we know. For I write, we take the
الألف مع الهمزة
and insert it at the beginning of the verb. We insert
ضمة.
at the end. Now it reads,
أكتب.
for we write, we use
نون
and insert it at the beginning of the verb. Now it reads,
نكتب.
next we have
أنت، أنت،
and.
أنتم.
Since they all share the letter,
تاء،
we will use
تاء.
at the beginning of the verb when conjugating for them. For
أنت،
we take the
تاء.
and use it at the beginning of the verb. Now it reads,
تكتب.
for
أنت،
we take the
تاء.
and use it at the beginning of the verb. But because we are speaking to a woman, we must show respect. To show respect, we add
إين.
at the end of the verb. Now it reads,
تكتبين.
let's move down to
هي.
since we are not talking directly to a woman, we do not need to show respect. Therefore, we just add
تاء.
at the beginning of the verb. Now it reads,
تكتب.
let's go back to
أنتم.
we insert
تاء.
at the beginning of the verb, but since it is plural, we add
أون.
at the end of the verb. Now it reads,
تكتبون.
for
هو.
we simply add
ياء.
at the beginning of the verb. Now it reads,
يكتب.
finally, we have
هم.
we add
ياء.
at the beginning, but since it is plural, we add
أون.
at the end. Now it reads,
يكتبون.
let's review all of them together.
أكتب، نكتب، تكتب، تكتبين، تكتبون، يكتب، تكتب، يكتبون.